Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of Composition 1-2. Our meeting today our topic is Composition 1-2. Students, this is our 18th lecture and 16th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 18th lecture and 16th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. First we'll discuss about these compositions and you have to write the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Okay, our topic is composition. Our first composition is our national flag. Our first composition is our national flag. I'm going to discuss about our national flag. Our national flag is a symbol of independence of our country. Bangladesh is an independent country, and like every independent country, it also has a national flag. We became independent in 1971. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Its length and width is 10:6. And the color of our national flag is deep green with a red circle in the middle. The green color of the flag represents the great nature of our country, and the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Our national flag is our valuable possession. It is our pride and glory. I'm going to repeat the composition. Our national flag. Our national flag is a symbol of independence of our country. Bangladesh is an independent country, and like every independent country, it also has a national flag. We became independent in 1971. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Its length and width is 10:6. The color of our national flag is deep green with a red circle in the middle. The green color of the flag represents the green nature of our country, and the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Our national flag is our valuable possession. It is our pride and glory. Now, I'm going to discuss about the composition, our Victory Day. Our topic is our Victory Day. Our Victory Day is 16th December, which is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. Students, here red letter day means memorable day. On this day, we achieved victory at the cost of many lives, and Bangladesh occupied a place in the world map as an independent country. Every year, we observe this day. We remember the supreme sacrifice of the heroic sons who died for the country. The day begins with gunshot. The whole country wears a festive look. The national flag is displayed in different offices and educational institutes. This day is a source of great joy, hope, and inspiration. We should uphold the dignity of our Victory Day. Okay, I'm repeating for the second time our Victory Day. Our Victory Day is 16th December, which is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. On this day, we achieved victory at the cost of many lives, and Bangladesh occupied a place in the world map as an independent country. Every year, we observe this day. We remember the supreme sacrifice of the heroic sons who died for the country. The day begins with gunshot. The whole country wears a festive look. The national flag is displayed in different offices and educational institutes. This day is a source of great joy, hope, and inspiration. We should uphold the dignity of our victory day. So students, this is very easy topic. You have to write about our national flag and about our victory day. This is joyous for us, so I hope you are able to write about any topic, whether it is our national flag or our victory day. Now, it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be composition, our national flag. I'm repeating, your homework will be composition, our national flag. Students, don't forget to write the lecture number and the homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. A lecture number is 18 and homework number is 16. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your city, diary and SP marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.